Okay, yeah, this is another question on mensuration. Okay, let's dive right in. Now, it says a 120-degree sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter is bent to form a cone. So, what is the radius of the cone? All right, that is the question. Okay, now it's very straightforward. Okay, now before I start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that others can get this video and so that you can get more premium content and be the first to get notified when I post a video. Okay, there are lots and lots of WAEC questions coming up. We're going to trash a lot of questions. Okay, let's go back to the question. Now, it says the angle is 120. This is a sector. Okay, this is the sector, and this is the cone formed by the sector. Okay, now this is the angle 120 degrees. Now OB and OA are the radii, is 21 cm, and this is also 21 cm. Okay, all right, a sector is a part of a circle formed by an arc and two radii. Okay, that's what a sector is. All right, now it says this sector is folded together, is bent to form a cone. What that means is you just take this point A, just like a sheet of a cardboard paper, you cut it into this shape and take point A to meet point B, so that OA and OB are on top each other. Okay, and it will form something like this, OAB. All right, this will be a cone, while the bottom of this cone obviously is a circle. Okay, so that's what's happening here. Now the question says, what is the radius of the cone? What they mean by that is this. Trying to find, this is a circle. Okay, now they are trying to find this radius, call it R. Okay, let's call that R. The radius of this circle formed by the cone. Okay, that's what we're asked to calculate. Now it's a very straightforward stuff. I like you to know that the circumference of this sector, okay, this is circumference of the sector. That's the arc, circumference of the arc of the sector, right? It is what formed this circular base. Do you agree with me? It is this arc that forms this circular base. All right, okay, so it means that the length of this arc is also what we call circumference, is also the length of this circular base, which is also the circumference of the circle. Okay, so we can put that into written form. The circumference of arc of sector is equal to circumference of base circle of cone. Okay, all right, so that's straightforward. Now let's say this radius now the sector is 21 cm, and let us attach small letter arrow for the radius of the circle formed by the cone. Now, how do we calculate the circumference of this arc? We know that this sector is part of a circle. Now, what's the circumference of a circle? Is 2 pi r. Okay, all right. Now we know that this sector has an angle of 120 degrees, and the complete circle has an angle of 360 degrees because that's angle at a point. Okay, so now to get the circumference of this sector, we can do a relationship. 120 degrees over 360 degrees, since it's part of a circle, times 2 pi r will give us the circumference of the sector. Can you see that now? Since it's part of it, just take this angle, 120 over 360 times 2 pi r, which is the circumference of a circle. That will give you the circumference of the arc. Pretty straightforward. Now, if we know that is circumference of a circle, then we equate it to circumference of a circle. This circumference of base circle of a cone. What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Okay, in this case we use the small letter r. Can you see that now? Pretty straightforward. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this our channel, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't take you anything, just hit the subscribe button if you are getting premium content from us. Just hit the subscribe button. Okay, now at this point our arrow is 21, so we can substitute for known values, and this arrow is what we're looking for. Okay, now we can cancel out. Okay, let's do this first. 120 over 360 times 2 pi times 21 equals to 2 pi times arrow. There's 2 pi here, there's 2 pi here, so they can cancel out. Okay, 2 pi can cancel out on either side of the equation. 0 cancels 0, 12 here 1, 12 here 3. Okay, and then 3 here 1, 3 here 7. Okay, all right, so that's the end of the issue. Everything is well cancelled out, and so our arrow is equal to 7 centimeters. That is the answer to this question. Like, subscribe, and share this video so that your friends and loved ones can also see this premium content. Okay, thank you.